John Flucke. I'm Technology Editor and Chief Dental Editor here at Dental Products Report. And today I want to talk to you about a solution to a problem that all dentists have. And that is, you open up a tooth and the decay is deeper than you anticipated, or you go to replace a restoration and the restoration is maybe deeper than it appeared on the bite wing, or the recurrent decay that got under that restoration is deeper than it appeared on your radiograph. And you look at that and you say to yourself, I don't feel comfortable putting the material, restorative material directly down into this. I would love to have something that I can use to base this up a little bit, give the pulp some type of a remedy. Well, I have got a product for you. It's this. It's TheraBase from BISCO, and this is something I've been test driving for a while in my practice, and I have had phenomenal results with it. So when you're using TheraBase, this goes directly where you want it to go, and then you light cure it, and it stays there. Because this is dual cure, which is light cure and auto cure, you can start the set with the light, but it's going to cure even in the dark, which is phenomenal. The other thing is, once it sets like that with the light, you can then condense right on top of it with your restorative material and it stays put. Once again, phenomenal stuff. You don't have to etch and bond first. You clean the decay out, you take this material, you go right into the spots that you want to place it, light cure it, it's set enough to put the material on right on top of it. As this stuff is working, as it is sitting on that tooth for the life of that restoration, TheraBase is going to release calcium and fluoride. And you can go right to work on top of it as soon as you hit it with the light. This is an amazing material. One of the other great things is it's also highly radiopaque, shows up really well on bite wings. When it comes time for recare, you'll have no concerns telling what's under there because you can clearly see it. So you're looking at a material that releases calcium and releases fluoride. It's light cure and auto cure, so it's a dual cure material, highly radiopaque, goes exactly where you put it, and is kind to the pulp. This is a phenomenal home run product from BISCO. It's called TheraBase. I've been doing a test drive on it in my office for a while now. I've had great results and I highly recommend it. Check it out. I'm Dr. John Flucke. Thanks for watching.